2024 charity is candidate number 4. Queen Mother of Cebu 2024 is candidate number 1.
33-year-old Beatriz Cabañero was crowned as Queen Mother of Cebu 2024 at the IEC Convention Center last weekend. Fondly known as B, this mother of 5 bested 21 other candidates with her beauty, elegance, and wit. In her final Q&A, she and her fellow top 7 finalists were asked about a virtue they wished they had before being a mom, and B opened up about how she became a mother at the early age of 17.
Bravery. I got pregnant at the age of 17, and I was also so scared of what others would think. If I was brave enough to go ahead and conquer the world together with my kids without whatever other people are saying, then I would have succeeded even before. So yes, bravery for me.
B was also chosen as Mrs. MyTV Cebu 2024 among other minor awards that she won. Her advocacy on autism acceptance is based on her personal motherhood journey, as she has 2 children in the autism spectrum, which she shared during her interview in Andy's Coveries.
Kay laylay matag-struggle, for example, nako 5 akong kids, nako'y 14-year-old nga autistic. And because dugay ko naka-early intervention niya, unfortunately, non-verbal siya. So, ang akong kalisod sa akong autistic nga anak, digid ko angay i-compare sa lain, perhaps nila nun ay lisod sa siya. Sa ako asad is, ang lisod sa pagsabot sa akong anak. Kasi di ko kaybaw kung laksakit siya karon, kung sapot siya karon, gusto lang siya mahugas og plato today. So, naka-realize ko nga, dili na ko dapat i-compare akong self sa uban sa nga mama. Kay lahi isad ang akong burden nga gi-carry. But at the same time, lahi isad ang kalipay nga ipanghatag sa akong mga anak nako. Labi na niya akong autistic nga kiat, labad, pero laban naman kay mong hugas og plato.
You have an awesome child.
I have an awesome kid. And then, sad, very light, kaya ako ang 5th kid manggod, akong 2 years old, na diagnosed siya with mild autism. And wala na ko naibong because, you know, na naman siya kuyas. Pero at least karon tungod sa akong na-experience, na early intervention na nako siya. So, nag-OT na siya as early as 2. So, mo na siya nga, laylahi yun og kuan per mama.
Joining her court are Queen Mother of Cebu Charity Jehan Tribunal from Talisay City, Queen Mother of Cebu-fortitude Rica Lañojan of Tuburan, Cebu, Queen Mother of Cebu-Compassion Esterlita Cordera of Mandaue City, Queen Mother of Cebu-Courage Norlaine Selgas of Bbasak, Lapu-Capu City, Queen Mother of Cebu-Grace 𝗠់of Carcar City, and Queen Mother of Cebu-Resilience Zeek Abella from Bulacao, Cebu City. The coronation night was filled with beautiful performances as the moms, representing all ages and sizes, confidently impressed the audience in their recycled funwear and dazzling evening gowns. Now on its 2nd year, Queen Mother of Cebu aims to give mothers from all walks of life an avenue to be honored and celebrated and to advance their individual causes. This has been Andrea Patenya Matthew of MyTV Cebu.